question number 7, it is given that find the probability of that student that obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test. So 0 to 20 marks, 7 students have got, 20 to 30 marks, 10 students, 30 to 40, 10 students, 40 to 50, 20, 50 to 60. Okay. Now total student 90. In this question it is asked, okay, that find the probability of that student who obtain less than 20% marks. First of all, students, question number 6. Question number 6 that is exercise 15.1. Okay, exercise 15.1. So total number of students, how many students are there? That's okay. Add it the frequency table, that's 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 8 plus. So how many students are there? Rajamna, Amrita, Asraful, Suhana, those who are Orpit, tell me. Yes, 90. So 90 students are there. Total number of students 90. Now, number of students who got less than 20%. Okay, how many students got less than 20%? From the table tell me. All of you. Okay, Amrita only one answer came. Okay, 7. Okay, Orpit, anyone else? Asrafuluddin, very good. 7. Mahek, 7. Okay, 4 answer I have got. Rajanna, your answer? That's 7. Just look at the table. 0 to 20, number of students 7. It means 7 students are there who got less than 20. Okay, one thing student remember, 0 to 20, it's a class interval. 0 is the lower limit of the class interval and 20 is the upper limit in the class interval. So 20 should not be added to that interval. It means less than 20. It is less than 20. Okay, if anyone got 20, suppose a question, if anyone got 20, so that student will be included in which class of interval? 0 to 20 or 20 to 30? Tell me first. That student, if anyone get 20, his marks is 20, then that student will be included in which interval? 0 to 20 or 20 to 30? Tell me. Rajanna, this is wrong concept, beta. 0 to 20 means it must be less than 20. Those marks which are less than 20, that number are being included, not equal to 20. That equal to 20 will be included in the second class of interval. Got it? Amrita, Rajanna, Orpit, Asrafuluddin, got the concept? That interval concept? Okay. So number of students, so probability, so required probability that equal to 7 by 10. Got it? Sorry, 7 by 90. Got it, everyone? Any doubt? Okay. Next question. So total number of students, that is 90, and total number of students who got 60 or above. 60 or above. It means students that interval 60 to 70. 60 to 70 as well as 70 and above, these two interval number of students should be added. Got the concept? 60 to 70 means already 50 students I have, and who got 76. 76 also it is 60 above the 60. So that number of students of this interval should be added. So number of students who got 60% or above, that will be 15 plus 8 equal to 23, and required probability is 23 by 60. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay, so required probability is 23 to 60. Now one extra question that is not from your NCERT book. Okay, tell me how many students, and try to answer fast. I want to see who are the first 3 students who will be able to answer. First 3 students, okay? Tell me the probability of choosing a student who got less than 30. Quickly find the probability who got less than 30. 17 by 90. Amrita, you are correct. You will confirm. You are confirm. Okay, yes sir. Okay. Next students, that's Asrafuddin, Rajanna, Orbit. So many students are there. 17 by 90. Yes. As I have told you that 20 to 30, that interval, it means in that interval the numbers are included which are obviously less than 30, and 0 to 20, that 7 students, they are also less than 30. So total number of students who got less than 30, that is 7 plus 8, 17. So required probability is 17 by 90. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, next question from the table. Tell me the probability who get more than 60. Who get more than 60? Yes, that is also same answer, 23 by 90, because 15, 60 to 70 and 70 to above, these two interval indicates the students who got more than 60. Okay, next question. Find the probability of choosing a students who got more than 50. More than 50. Quickly, more than 50. So very good. That is that answer given by Rajanna, Amrita, Orpit, and Asrafuddin. 43 by 90, Rajanna. Okay, more than 50. That is okay. Anyone else? Yes, Rajanna is the first. Okay, so here answer is more than 50 means that interval 20, 15 and 8. This interval have to be added. So total number 20 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 8, that is 43. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now moving on the next question. So student, question number 7 is very much easy. That 200 students are there. Among them, 135 students like statistics and 65 do not like statistics. So find the probability of choosing a students who do not like who like statistics. The answer will be 135 by 200, and dislike statistics, that is 65 by 200. Okay, it's a very easy question. That's why I am skipping. If you have any problem, that solution of that sum also be available in our YouTube channel. You can watch it. Okay. Now question number 8. Moving on, question number 8. So less than 7 kilometers. Okay, so 30 students, 30 engineers workplace at a distance of so 3 questions are there. So from the table, from the data, so total number of engineers is number 8. engineers, that is 40. How many engineers have the distance less than 7 from their workplace? Tell me the answer. So less than 7. How many numbers of engineers who have? That is 9. So what is the probability? What is the probability of getting or choosing an engineer whose workplace is at 7 kilometers from his house? Answer will be 9 by 30. Okay? Sorry, 9 by 40. Got it, everyone? That answer will be 9 by 40. So required probability. Required probability 9 by 40. Got it? Next question. Number of engineer who is living more than equal to or more than 7. Equal to or more than 7. It means if it is 7, it is 9. That engineer whose distance from workplace from his house, that is 7 kilometers. Number of students. It means remaining engineers have distance more than 7 or equal to 7. So 40 minus 7, that is 9, 31. So required probability 31 by 40. Required probability in this case who have distance 7 kilometer or more, equal to 7 kilometer or more than 7 kilometer, that is 30, and required probability is 31 by 40. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly answer it. Okay, very good. Next question. So 9 and 10 no need to do. Question number 11. Try at your home. Now question number 12. Moving on, question number 12. Okay. So this data obtained for 30 days, that amount of sulfur dioxide in air in parts per million. Okay, so you have to find the probability that the number of days whose sulfur dioxide present, number of days. So total number of days here. Total number of days, that is 30. Now between 0 to 12 and 0 to 16, how many days are there in which day the amount of sulfur dioxide lies between these two intervals? Tell me. And which are the amount, exact amount? So if you notice that list, you will find that one number is 0.12, and another number, I am searching that number, that 0.13. In only 2 days I have found from that list that in these 2 days the amount of sulfur dioxide is between 0.12 to 0.16. So number of days from 0.12 to 0.16, that is 2. So required probability that is 2 by 30 equal to 1 by 50. Clear it is, everyone? Clear it is to everyone? Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. So this chapter, I end this chapter here. Okay. So next day, tomorrow you will have my classes. Tomorrow you will have my classes. In my class. Okay. Then which chapter shall I start? Which chapter shall I start? Because I need 2 or 3 days for revision. Next week, on which date you have maths exam? On which date you have maths exam? two classes I will in the next week I will get 2 class for revision. Okay. Okay. Wait students, 2 more questions I will solve. Okay. One question only. In a single throw of dice, listen it carefully. Single throw of dice, so what we will get? So that I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 result I will get. Okay. Now find the probability of getting that will be an odd number. Find the probability of getting an odd number quickly. Who are the first 3 students I want to see? Okay. All students have answered. If it is right, then she will be the first. Okay. So Rajana answer 1/2, Amrita 1/3, 1/3. First of all, student, tell me